Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to discuss about presentation of seepage. Now I want to start the presentation. Welcome at my presentation. My presentation topics is synthesis and characterization of seep-based ligands and their copper 2, cobalt 2, cadmium 2 and manganese 2 metal complexes and study of the biological activity of the synthesized seep-based ligands and their complexes. Presentation outline. Introduction, literature reviews, aim and objectives, methodology, results and discussion, antibacterial activity, conclusion. Introduction. What is sheep base? A sheep base is a compound having a carbon-nitrogen double bond, which is called azomethane group. This azomethane group obtained from the condensation of primary amines and carbonyl compounds. Here, the reactions. Aldehyde or ketone plus 1 degree amine produces sheep base and water. Literature reviews. One of the best sheep base ligand is bis-salicylaldehyde ethylene diamine. Here the reaction. The sheep base ligands formed by the condensation of diamine and diketone lose the acidic protons and behave as a chelating agents. Now, I want to discuss about the uses of sheep base and its complexes. Application in medicine and pharmacy. Application in antimicrobial activities such as antibacterial activity, anti-cancer and anti-tumor. Application in agriculture purposes. Application in coordination chemistry. Sheep bases are used as inhibitors. Application in an important intermediate in many enzymatic reactions. Aim and objectives. The objectives of my proposed research are given below. To synthesize novel sheep-based ligands and their copper 2, cadmium 2, manganese 2, cobalt 2 metal complexes. To characterize the synthesized ligands and their metal complexes by different physical, analytical, and spectroscopic methods. To investigate antibacterial properties of my synthesized sheep-based ligands and their metal complexes. Now I want to discuss about materials list. I have used such type of materials. Here the name of chemicals: thiophenyl 2 carboxyhalde, metanitrobenzaldehyde, parachlorobenzaldehyde, thiosemicarbazide, ethylene diamine. Here the molecular formula and formula weight gram mole inverse 1. Characterization techniques. The structure of the complexes was determined by the following physical methods: melting point, conductivity measurements, magnetic susceptibility, infrared spectra, and ultraviolet visible spectra. Methodology. Synthesis of the sheep-based ligand and their metal complexes. The reflux method was adopted in the synthesis of the sheep bases and the formation of the metal complexes. All the metallical complexes are formed by the reaction of hydrated metal chloride or metal nitrate salts and the sheep-based ligand in 1:2 molar ratio under reflux for 1 to 2 hours. Here the experimental scheme. Firstly, I added primary amine and acid. After reflux for 3 to 4 hours and the product was concentrated by rotary evaporator. Then the PPT was filtered. Then the product was dried and characterized and ship-base ligand, and the rest of the product ship-base complex characterized and activities. Here are the steps. First step, aldehyde plus amine. Second step, ship-base ligand. Aldehyde and amine produce ship-base plus metal salt. After adding metal salt and reflux ethanol with styrene 1 to 2 hours, it is from metal complexes. Here, aldehyde and amine reflux ethanol heating and styrene 3 to 4 hours and ship-base ligand formed. Thiophene to carboxyaldehyde and ethylene diamine. Here the reaction process of total products. Parachlorobenzaldehyde with ethylene diamine, ship-base 2. Here the reaction process. Parachlorobenzaldehyde and thiosemicarbazide, ship-base 3. Similarly, metanitrobenzaldehyde and ethylene diamine. Here, Table 1 physical characterized and analytical data of ship-base 1 and its metal complexes. Serial number, empirical formula of ligand and metal complexes, formula weight, color, yields percent, melting point, decomposition temperature. Table 2 physical characteristics and analytical data of ship-base 2 and its metal complexes. Here the empirical formula of ship-base 2 and its complexes. Cadmium complex and copper complex formula weight 305.21, 673.96 and 722.81. Color white, violet white. Yield percent 85, 70 এবং 85. Melting point, decomposition temperature 200 to 205, 245 to 250 and 300 above. Physical characteristics and analytical data of ship-base 3 and its metal complexes. Empirical formula of ligand and complexes. Here formula weight, here color, here yields and melting point and decomposition temperature. Here table 4 similarly physical characteristic and analytical data of ship-base and metal complexes. Table 5 for the determination of molar conductivity. What is molar conductivity? Empirical formula of complex is here copper, cobalt, cadmium, manganese, copper and cadmium complex of ship-base ligand. Here molar conductance equal to 1000 by C into specific conductance. Unit is a centimeter square mole inverse 1, 18, 13, 36, 13, 56 and 14. Empirical formula of complexes. Copper, cadmium, copper, cobalt and cadmium and DMSO. Molar conductance. Molar conductance 439473. From the above data, it is revealed that all the complexes are non-electrolyte in nature. Here the infrared spectral bands of ligand and its meta complex. Ligand and metal complex structure here and IR bond here. OH carbon double bond N, CH, MS, MN. Here all magnetic moment data of all complex. Here length of the sample, weight of the sample, susceptibility of the empty tube, susceptibility of the sample tube, diamagnetic correction, magnetic correction, effective magnetic moment in Bm, number of unpaired electron. The free ship-base ligand showed a very strong absorption band at 1630 cm inverse 1. In the ship-base complex, this absorption was shifted to the lower frequency. The shifting of the wave number is for the reducing electron density in the azomethane group. Band at 859 cm due to VCH. Band observed at 34,000 to 36,000 cm was assigned to the OH of hydroxyl group. band at 500 to 600 due to metal nitrogen stretching bond, which indicated the coordination through nitrogen atom to the metal. A band at 329 to 444 cm, which further supported the coordination side metal sulfur vibration. Here the reference. I have collected all reference based on my research. Here the IR spectra of all metal complex and ligand. UV visible spectra of Siebert's 1 and its complexes. The observed band in the region 200 to 400 nanometer is due to charge transfer only. The electronic spectra range 220 to 280 nanometer and 310 nanometer, which have been assigned to pi and n to pi star respectively. The band above 400 nanometer, which have been assigned to DT transition. The electronic spectra of copper 2 and cobalt 2 complexes show band at 410 nanometer and 453 nanometer, which is assignable to DD transition respectively. Here the reference: an UV visible spectra and magnetic moment of ligand and its complexes. Complex, lambda max, wave number, effective magnetic moment and assignment. Here all of the UV spectra of complex and ligand are shown. Therefore, copper, cobalt are square planar and the cadmium 2 manganese 2 complexes 3,4 are tetrahedral structure. Here square planar or tetrahedral structure are shown. Infrared spectral bands of ligand and its metal complexes. Here all of the spectra. Here magnetic moment of ligand. UV visible spectra and movement of ligand and its metal complex. Infrared spectral bands of ligands. Here the spectrum of all of the ligands. UV visible spectra and magnetic moment of ligand and its metal complexes. Therefore, on the basis of the conductance measurement, magnetic moment, IR spectra, UV visible spectra, and other physical properties, the suggested structure of the copper, cobalt are square planar and cadmium complex is tetrahedral in nature. Antibacterial activity. Any chemical or biological agent that either destroys or inhibits growth of microorganisms is called antimicrobial agent. It has been observed that some drugs increase the activity when administered as metal complex or their metal chelates. Test organism. The following human pathogenic bacteria have been studied: gram-negative and gram-positive. Gram-negative is Escherichia coli, Shigella body. Gram-positive Bacillus cereus, Staphylo aureus. Complex abbreviation for antimicrobial activity. Here the complex, here label, label and complex. Antimicrobial activity. Antimicrobial activities for the compound all are shown here. Here picture photographic representation of zone inhibition of 4-Siebert's against bacteria. Summary of antimicrobial activity. From this result, it is concluded that the complex showed good activities against the 4 pathogenic bacteria as compared to the standard compounds kanamycin 13. It is evident that the metal ion plays the key role to show good activities as compared to the ligand. Melting point experiments show that the synthetic Siebert complex exhibit a significant thermal stability. Magnetic susceptibility data which reveal that the manganese, copper and cobalt complex are paramagnetic and cadmium complex are diamagnetic in nature. Conductivity measurement which reveal that all the complexes are non-electronite in nature. Conclusion. IR spectral data showed that SB means Siebert 1 and Siebert 3 coordinate through sulfur and nitrogen atom, and Siebert 2 and Siebert 4 coordinate through only nitrogen atom in metal complexes. UV visible data reveal that cadmium and manganese complexes have only the charge transfer transition, and copper and cobalt complex have charge transfer and DD transition. From all the experimental data, it was concluded that the geometry of the complex of manganese 2 and cadmium 2 ions might be tetrahedral, The geometry of the complex of copper 2 and cobalt 2 iron